Hello everybody, this is Octember failure number 1. Refrigerant leaked out of my workshop AC. First off, I put a can of this leak stop in, and now I'm going to just put a charge in it. I'm not going to put gauges on it or anything. We're just going to see if we can get it cooling. See, it's not doing much of anything right now. A little bit of frost forming right there. But we'll chooch it up and see what happens. I'm beginning to make a little progress. We're up to about the fifth loop. Sixth one's barely getting cold, but the ice is melted, so I will continue charging. Well, I've got it charged the best I can. All these loops are cold, and I charge it till this just starts feeling cool to the touch, and that's usually just about right. But for now, it's working. Not quite making ice cubes, but it's pretty cool. Put it back together and see what the air output is. We're inside, got it set on 71 and it's 79 degrees in here. About 40 minutes later, it's dropped it down to 76. And it's 96.2 outside, September 18th. 2021. And all these thermometers all have different readings. And then an air vent check. Still about the same. That's definitely cooling it. About 44 degrees. So we'll just let that continue to run and cool down. It's starting to feel halfway decent in here now. Well, unfortunately, I don't have good news. It was chooching along real well, holding steady, and now we're only getting 53 degrees, and I got a real strong chemical smell in here. So that tells me the evaporator's got a huge leak. But we are staying at temperature. It feels pretty good in here. It's just that super strong chemical smell, and not really good to be in here right now. So it'll just be the end of the line for this shop AC. I'm gonna have to figure out something to retrofit in that box out there, and we'll just go from there.